Hi, welcome. In today's video, you will learn 5 Procreate app features that you will absolutely love it. Before getting into the video, subscribe to my channel if you wish to watch more fun digital art videos. Feature number 1. Let's say you made an unintentional stroke on your canvas like this. You can just rub with your 3 fingers on the screen to erase it. Again, rub on your screen with 3 fingers to erase it. Feature number 2. When creating shapes, go to Selection tool, Freehand, Add, Colorful. Now you can save more time on dropping colors on every shape. You can also create perfect rectangles and circles with the rectangle and ellipse options. Feature number 3. Choosing colors for your art can be tough. Well, Procreate makes this process easier by adding color harmonies right at the top of your palette space. I literally love this option so much, it's the best. Feature number 4. In the disk section, you will see this disk at the center of your color wheel. You can just zoom the disk for detailed selection. And you can also move this over the canvas. Quite handy, right? Feature number 5. In your selection tool, have you ever wondered the use of save and load option? Select the area you need, tap save and load, then tap the plus sign. Now the selected area is saved. When you need the selected area on a different layer that you're working on, you just need to tap on the saved selection and add your details. And that's the end of this video. Comment which is your favorite of these 5 and thanks for watching.